Just go to Dorridge, just go across the other stations into on the same as the short of Manor. Yeah, we'll do London, another Birmingham train, London, Melbourne one from here as well. So we know we've done 2 from here. One 172 003 departs Birmingham Moor Street for Dorridge. Distance as well as departs 003 and number 6. Perfect. Oh, he's ever so mean to them. Done that. There goes the Dorridge bound. It's just a 4 carriages. God normally been in the centre to dispatch this train, but today he wants to be in the back. Here's what he wants to do, that he wants to do. Sometimes there is a revenue inspector on board, but it depends on the case whether they're able to stay or not. Yep, there he is, en route to